Good morning, dear. I hope all of you are healthy and fine. Today we will solve exercises about triangles and remarkable lines. It's on chapter 15 on your book. Practice 2, page 59. Circle the correct answer after observing the figure and thinking logically. ABC and DBC and CED are equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? It's a triangle that has three equal sides and three equal angles, each one of them equals to 60 degrees. When I say triangle ABC, this means equilateral. This means that AB equal to BC equal to CA. And DBC is isosceles triangle, so BC equal BD equal to DC. Then CED is equilateral, so CE equals to CD equals to DE. The first question is ABD equals to 60, 120 or 180 degrees. ABD, this is the triangle that I'm talking about. Since ABC is equilateral, so each of its angle is 60 degree. Its measure. So ABC equal to 60 degree and CBD equals to 60 degree. Why? Since CBD is an equilateral triangle. So ABD is ABC plus CBD, so it's 60 plus 60 degree, which is 120 degree. So ABD, its measure is 120 degree. Now CEH, this one here, this angle CEH, what is its measure? Here we have CED, an equilateral triangle. This means that ECD equals to 60 degree and CDE equals to 60 degree and CED is also 60. Now in the triangle HCE, I have to find the measure of angle CEH. I know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. We have one right angle, so the other two angles are complementary. If one of them equal to 60, then the other one, the measure of angle CEH is 90 minus 60, so it's 30 degree. Okay? Then the correct answer is CEH equals to 30 degree. Now, what about AMC? AMC. If I join the vertex A to the midpoint M, here M is the midpoint of BC, so AM is the median. Why? Because in equilateral triangle, the segment issued from vertex to the midpoint is a median in any triangle, but in this case we have an equilateral triangle, so it's at the same time a median, height, bisector and perpendicular bisector, so AMC equals to 90 degree. Okay, keep in your mind that in isosceles triangle only the median issued from the main vertex is at the same time a height, bisector and perpendicular bisector, but in equilateral triangle a median issued from any vertex. In equilateral triangle, it's a height, bisector and perpendicular bisector. Since AM is a height, so AMC equals to 90 degree. Now I have to find the perimeter of ABDE. ABDE. The perimeter is the sum of the sides. AB equal to AC equal 3 centimeter, since we have an equilateral triangle. And we proved that AB equal to BD, so BD is also 3 centimeter. DE is also 3 centimeter, and that's the same with respect to CE and CA. So to find the perimeter of ABDE, I have to add the length of AB plus BD plus DE plus EA. So it's 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, and 12 plus 3, 15. So the perimeter of ABDE is 15 centimeter. Now, what about HD minus HC? In a triangle CDE, we have EH is a height, and since it's an equilateral triangle, so it's at the same time a median. Then I can say that H is the midpoint of DC, since HD equals to HC. The median is a segment issued from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So DH equal to HC. So HD minus HC equal to 0 centimeter. Page 60. Observe the following figure, then match the following. ABCD and BQPC are two squares. Let's start with ABCD. It's a square, so AB equals to BC equal to CD equals to DA. Okay? Now BQPC is also a square, so BC equals to BQ equals to QP equals to CP. Now the second line, DMCN and TPSQ are two rhombuses. DMCN is a rhombus, so it has 4 equal sides. I can say that DN equals to MC equals to CN equals to DM. Since in rhombus the 4 sides are equal, the same idea is applied in TPSQ. It's also a rhombus, so I can say that TP equals to, I will put 3 dashes to inform that they are equal. TP equal to PS equal to SQ equal to QT. Third line, OSQ is an equilateral triangle, and since SQ here equal to the other sides, I'll use the same sign, SQ equal to QO equal to OS. Now TPQ is what? TPQ, this triangle in green, what type of triangle is it? Since we have TP equal to TQ, it has 2 equal sides, then TPQ is an isosceles triangle. SOP, this triangle, if I join P to O, this one, okay, well, I don't have any information about PO, but I have information about PS and SO. They are equal to each other, so it has 2 equal sides, and I'm talking about an isosceles triangle. DAM, in square the angles are right, so DA is perpendicular to DAM, then it's a right triangle. TMP, this triangle here, TMB. TBM is a right angle again, since ABCD is a square. And since M is the midpoint of AB and T the midpoint of BC, and we know that AB and BC are equal, so I can say that MB equals to TB. And this triangle is a right isosceles triangle. NMO. Let's use another color. NMO. I joined N to M and M to O. Surely you have to do that by using your ruler, but since I'm working with a cursor, so the side is not accurate. Okay, NMO. Do we have any information about these sides? No information is given about NM, MO, and NO, and definitely they are not equal. So the triangle that has three sides of different lengths is called a scalene triangle. Okay, please on your book, and if you have any question you can contact me. Thank you for your attention.